Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to get edge panel on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now the Samsung Galaxy A07 does not have the edge panel feature by default. But if you want to enable edge panel on your Samsung phone, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar just search this. Then open this website. From here, just tap on download APK. Then select Download APK, tap on Close, then tap on Open. From here, just select Settings and enable this toggle. After that, just select Install. Now, if this error appears on the screen, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then go to Security and Privacy, and from here, you will find the option of Auto Blocker. Now, just disable this feature and select Turn Off. After you disable this feature, then go back to the web browser app and tap on the three dots over here. Then go to Downloads. And from here, just tap on one edge and select Install. Then tap on Open. Now just select OK. Then enable this toggle. After that, just go back. Now just give this app this permission. And once you do that, a small bar will appear at the side of the screen. Now to enable Edge Panel on your Samsung phone, just swipe from the side of the screen. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled Edge Panel on our Samsung phone. Now to add apps to the Edge Panel, just tap on the Edge Panel and select the apps which you want to add. Just like that. And once you're done, then go to the home screen. Now if you enable Edge Panel from the side of the screen, as you can see, we have successfully added the selected apps to the Edge Panel. Just like that. And this is how you can get edge panel on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.